Welcome to iMobie support channel. If you encounter issues such as freezing, unresponsiveness, or unexpected errors while using our FocuSee, these may be caused by various factors, such as network conditions, system compatibility, or software glitches. To help our technical team accurately identify the root cause and provide you with a more effective solution, we kindly ask you to submit a log file and a project file. Please rest assured that log files only contain technical data and error details generated during the program's operation. They do not include any personal information or private content. In today's video, we'll guide you through the steps to submit the correct log files and project files to our support team. Let's get started. Method 1. Submit log file and project file via FocuSee. Please install and launch FocuSee on your computer, then click the Settings button. A drop-down menu will appear. Next, choose Send Feedback option. You'll enter the following interface. There, you can submit your questions along with the log files. Simply fill in your email address, device model, subject, and a brief description of the issue. And you can also click Add Attachments button to attach the project file. Please locate the project file on your device, compress it into a zip or RAR format, and send it to us. If the project file is too large to send directly, please feel free to upload it to Google Drive and share the link with us. Kindly make sure to set the sharing permissions to anyone with the link can view, so we can access the file without any issues. Then click Submit to complete the process. This method works the same way on both Windows and Mac, ensuring a smooth experience across platforms. Method 2. Submit log file and project file via ticket. To submit a log file via the ticket system, please visit the official iMobie website and click the support icon to access the iMobie Support Center. Then, select Contact Support to open the ticket submission form. Please fill out all the required fields, including your name, email address, age group, product, computer system, device type, device system, question type, and a detailed message describing your issue. Next, click the Add Files Here button to attach your log file and project file. To locate the log file on your computer. For Windows, C. User your computer name, app data, roaming, iMobie, FocuSee error log. For Mac, users your computer name documents, FocuSee log file. To locate the project file on your computer. For Windows C. Users your computer name FocuSee, FocuSee projects. For Mac, users your computer movies, FocuSee project, FocuSee project. Once everything is complete, click the Submit a Request button to send your ticket. Method 3. Send log file and project file via email. You can also choose to send the log file directly via email. First, open your email client on your computer and start composing a new message. And include key information such as the software you're using, your device model and system version, your computer operating system, and a brief description of the issue. Then, locate the project file on your computer at the following path. C. Users your computer name FocuSee, FocuSee projects. Next, locate the log file on your computer at the following path. C. User your computer name, app data, roaming, iMobie, FocuSee error log. Attach the log file and the project file to the email. Once everything is ready, please send the email to cs@iMobie.com. Our technical team will review your information and get back to you as soon as possible.